Hey team, how's it going? So quick video. We just got one of our trucks back from the shop. We got it outfitted with a few pieces of equipment. We have a weather guard top ladder rack. As you can see, this is a Dodge ProMaster City 2020. They all kind of look the same. We actually had this put on after the fact. Looks alright. Ladder rack is kind of big. I was hoping for something a little bit smaller, but you can make some adjustments and everything. The only concern is kind of being able to get in and out of garage, the parking lots, parking structures that have low clearances. So we got the ladder rack, and we also got a middle divider in here. You can kind of see it right here. We also got it outfitted with some shelving. All of it matching weather guard. Now, as far as satisfaction with the way it looks alright. It could have been a little bit more compact. The big concern that we did have once we picked it up, and unfortunately they didn't have any other options, so we'll have to do this after the fact, which is on this divider here. This divider has a pretty thin piece of plastic. Honestly, I mean, the reason the divider's there is for some protection, just to prevent anything from coming flying forward. So what we're going to do is we are going to get some type of strong metal mesh and connect it over this plastic to have some added protection. Overall, I'd probably give this setup right here maybe about a 7.5 out of 10. We have another truck that we possibly might be getting set up. We may try Adrian still. I'm not sure if UWS has anything. And we might look at some other options that WeatherGuard may have for this particular truck. It's a basic setup. All we needed it to really do is just hold some extra stock and utilize the full cargo space of this vehicle. Alright, thanks.